Welcome to our second HTML tutorial for beginners. Today we are going to discuss about the commonly used HTML attributes. To start with, we are going to define what HTML attributes are. HTML attributes are special words used in HTML tags to provide additional information about HTML elements. They are always placed at the start tag of an HTML element. Another thing to note is that they come in name-value pairs. The following are examples of the commonly used HTML attributes. Number 1. Style attribute. A style attribute is used to add an inline CSS to an element. In the following example, we have used style attribute to specify the font size of the header.
Number 2. href attribute. Href attribute is used to define the URL of an hyperlink. In the following example, the href attribute specifies the URL of the page the link goes to.
Number 3. src attribute, which specifies the URL of an image, video or other external resource, like it is shown in the example below. Number 4. Width and height attributes. These attributes are used to set the dimensions of an image or any other element. Number 5. The title attribute. The title attribute provides extra information about an element when the user hovers over it. Like in the example below, when you hover on the heading, it will show the name first title. Number 6. Lang attribute. This attribute specifies the language of the element's content. Lang attribute is placed inside the HTML tag. Its main use is to help search engines and browsers. The following example specifies English as the language. Number 7. Alt attribute, which provides alternative text for an image. It is useful for accessibility and when the image can't be displayed. The following example will show, this is FNK Academy logo text, in case the image fails to display. Number 8. Class attribute. This is an attribute used to specify one or more class names for an element. It is mostly used with CSS for styling. The example below has the text intro as the class. And lastly, we have ID attribute, which is used to assign a unique identifier to an element. It is useful for targeting with CSS and JavaScript. Thank you for watching. See you in our next tutorial. And if you have not yet subscribed to YouTube channel, kindly do so.